If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71. This vehicle is being sold with a salvage title. It starts, drives, has rear end collision damage. We'll take a look at it in a couple minutes. Really nice burgundy color. Nice set of rims on it. You have the step bars. Has a few extras on it. Cold air intake. You got the rear roll bar. Looks like it has an exhaust. Cold air intake, K&N. Looks like it has air suspension also. Pretty optioned out leather interior, which we'll get to in a minute. So this is where the damage is. Damage to the left rear bedside. It is into the cab. Got pushed in here. So cab needs to be repaired. Frame, there's some frame damage back there. I'm sure it got pushed in over here too. It looks like it bent. The frame has to be repaired. Overall nice vehicle. It runs in lot drives. Probably easier to replace the bed on something like this. These beds are pretty easy to find. It's a common vehicle. Really sharp inside, fully loaded. Navigation, leather, all the goodies. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.